हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग ट्री। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू हाउ टू राइट और मेक अ केमिकल formula. It is very easy. After watching this video you will have never any doubt in writing chemical formula or making a chemical formula. For writing chemical formula you should know the valences, and for valences you should know the atomic number. So I have uploaded both the videos, a trick to learn atomic number and easy way to find the valency. I will upload the link of both videos in the description. You can check from there. So let's start. The first one is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. What is the valency of calcium? Valency of calcium is 2. So write down 2 under calcium. What is the valency of hydroxide? Hydroxide valency is 1. Okay. So write down 1 under hydroxide. Now cross multiply them. Ca multiplied by 1 is Ca, OH multiplied by 2 is 2. So it is CaOH2, which is calcium hydroxide. Now next one is silver nitrate. What is the valency of silver? Silver valency is 1. Write down 1 under silver. Nitrate valency is 1 again. Okay, write down 1 under nitrate. So cross multiply them. Ag multiplied by 1 is Ag, NO3 multiplied by 1 is NO3. So it is AgNO3, which is silver nitrate. Next one is copper chloride. What is the valency of copper? Copper valency is 2. Okay, so write down 2 under copper. What is the valency of chlorine? That is 1. So write down 1 under Cl, that is chlorine. Cross multiply them. We will get CuCl2, which is copper chloride. Next one is barium chloride. What is the valency of barium? Barium valency is 2. Write down 2 under barium. Chlorine valency we have just checked, which is 1. Write down 1 under chlorine. Cross multiply them. Ba multiplied by 1 is Ba. Ca multiplied by 2 is Cl2. So it is BaCl2, barium chloride. Next one is ammonium sulfate. Ammonium we write down as NH4. Sulfate we write down as SO4. What is the valency of ammonium? Ammonium valency is 1. Sulfate valency is 2. Sulfate valency is 2. Write down 2 under sulfate. Cross multiply them. After cross multiply we will get NH4 to SO4. As ammonium has 2 numbers, so we will put it in the bracket. जब भी 2 number together आएंगे, we will put it in the bracket. So ammonium sulfate is NH4 to SO4. Now potassium bromide. What is the valency of potassium? Potassium valency is 1. Write down 1 under potassium. Bromide. What is the valency of bromide? Bromide valency is 1 again. See, it is written -1. In writing chemical formula, plus or minus sign doesn't matter. We have just to write down the valencies in numbers. No sign write down. So K valency 1, Br bromide valency 1. Cross multiply them. We will get KBr, which is potassium bromide. Next is calcium oxide. Valency of calcium. Calcium valency is 2. Oxide. Oxygen valency is again 2. Oxygen is 2. So write down 2 under oxygen. Now 2 is to 2. We can bring them into the simplest form. We will cut it, and the simplest form will be 1 is to 1. So Ca multiplied by 1 is Ca, O multiplied by 1 is O. So it is calcium oxide, which is CaO. Okay, CaO. Next one is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. What is the valency of sodium? Sodium valency is 1. So write down 1 under sodium. Carbonate valency is 2. Carbonate valency is 2. So write down 2 under carbonate, which is 2. Cross multiply them. We will get Na2CO3. So sodium carbonate is Na2CO3. Next one is hydrogen sulfide. Valency of hydrogen is 1. Sulfur valency is 2. So write down 2. Cross multiply them. We will get H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Next one is aluminium sulfate. Aluminium sulfate, AlSO4. Al valency or aluminium valency is 3. Okay, write down 3 under aluminium. Sulfate valency is 2. Cross multiply them. We will get Al2SO4 3. Okay, ऐसे नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है, इनको इसको ब्रैकेट में डालकर 3 बाहर लिखना है. एज सल्फेट इज क्या होता है, सल्फेट SO4 ही होता है, तो उसको SO4 ही रहने देना है. ठीक है. सो द केमिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम सल्फेट इज Al2SO4 3. Okay, now next one is barium iodide. What is the valency of barium? Barium is 2. Iodine valency, iodine valency, iodide valency is 1. Write down 1 here. Cross multiply them. So we will get BaI2, that is barium iodide. Next one is hydrogen sulfate. Valency of hydrogen. Hydrogen valency is 1. Hydrogen valency is 1. So we'll write down 1 under it. Sulfate valency is 2. Sulfate valency होती है 2. तो write down 2 under sulfate, that is SO4. Cross multiply them. We will get H2SO4, which is hydrogen sulfate. This is about writing a chemical formula. Hope you have liked this video, and if you have any doubt, you can write me in the comment section. I will try to clear all your doubts. And must take a screenshot of this chart of valency. I have prepared it for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe or share my video. Thank you so much.